Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix connection error, network error, multiplayer error, or 5008 error in Slay the Spire 2 on PC. First, make sure your date, time, and region are correct. Right-click on the date and time at the bottom right of your screen and click Adjust Date and Time. Enable Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically, then click Sync Now. Also check Language and Region and make sure the correct country is selected. Next, try switching to a different network. If possible, connect to another Wi-Fi network or use your phone hotspot, then relaunch the game. You can also power cycle your network. Shut down your computer, turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait a few seconds, then turn the router back on and restart your PC. Open Control Panel, go to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Open your connection, go to Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, and set the DNS to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. You can also try disabling IPv6 in the same network settings, and then launch the game again. Next, run the game as administrator. Go to the game installation folder, right-click the game X file, and select Run as administrator. Make sure your antivirus or firewall is not blocking the game, and add the game X file to the allowed list. You can also reset your network using command prompt, then restart your computer before launching the game again. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off. If you are not using one, you can also try connecting through a VPN. Also try using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Finally, verify the game files in Steam and make sure Windows is updated to the latest version. One of these steps should help fix the connection error in the game. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel.